Ditch the ordinary pie chart and let's whip up a visually stunning donut chart in Tableau that will make your data sing. First, connect to your data source in Tableau. For this tutorial, we are using sample Superstore data. Drag the dimension containing the categories you want to represent, such as category, to the rows shelf, and a measure like sales to the column shelf. Tableau will create a basic chart, initially defaulting to a horizontal bar chart. Change the mark type from automatic to pie. This converts your bar chart into a pie chart. Now, duplicate your measure sum sales by holding Ctrl or CMD key and dragging it next to the original on the row shelf. This creates two identical pie charts. Right-click on the second sum sales pill on the row shelf and select dual axis. This will overlay the two pie charts. Right-click on the axis and select synchronize axis. In the marks card, select the second sum sales, which corresponds to the second pie chart. Change its color to white and reduce the size of the second pie chart using the size slider. Go back to the first sum sales marks card. Drag the dimension you used for categories, such as category, and the measure sales to the label. Click on label and format the labels to your liking. You can change font size, color, and alignment. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted donut chart in Tableau. Customize further with different colors, borders, and annotations to make your data truly pop. And get ready to impress with this fresh, engaging visual.